Did you know that in Serbia we celebrate 2 New Years? Not only that, we have something that is called Srećna Nove godine, which is often and usually celebrated on the 1st of January. So, if you plan to come to Serbia in this period, impress yourself because you will need a lot of energy. And stay until the end of this video to see how do we celebrate our holidays. First of all, we don't celebrate Christmas first. Our Christmas is on the 7th of January, so we first celebrate New Year's Eve. It is on the 31st of December, and that's the reason why we often say Srećna Nova godina I božićni praznici. Now, how do we celebrate New Year's Eve in Serbia? In recent years, there is something called dnevne žurke or day parties, when you would go to the club or restaurant and party the whole day on the 31st. And then afterwards, you would also go somewhere and party again. So yes, you will need a lot of energy. That's not the only option. You can stay at home, you can travel to another city if you are from Serbia, or you can travel to another country, or you can go to the city center where in bigger cities there are usually some concerts performed by popular Serbian artists. The second thing is that we have our Badnje veče, when you survive the whole thing on the 1st and the 2nd and all the hangover after New Year's. Next thing is a family holiday. As I said, Badnje veče. Badnje veče or Badnji dan, Christmas Day Eve or Christmas Day, is a traditional holiday, and most often people would stay at home with their families. In villages, older men would go to the nearest forest to pick young oak tree or badnjak. It will be performed in the early morning, and then they will bring badnjak at home. It will stand outside of the house until the late evening, when they will basically bring the badnjak in. Most often, a woman, housewife or domaćica, will welcome badnjak as an old cousin. Badnjače, stari rođače. And that's really nice custom that we are keeping, and I know for sure that majority of people are bringing badnjak inside all over the world, wherever badnjak is available. We also don't eat meat or dairy on that day. We would normally eat fish, vegetables, pies made of vegetables, and things like that. Then Božić will come. It is on the 7th of January. We don't get presents and gifts for Christmas. We would often get them on the 1st of January after the New Year's Eve. But there are two things that are really important on Božić or Christmas morning. In Serbia, basically, the first person that will come to your house is called položajnik, and that is a close relative or close friend most often. It means that that person will bring you luck and joy and happiness in the next year. The second thing, really important, is called česnica. Česnica, most often in the rest of Serbia, is like round bread, similar to pogača, and it will have a coin inside. The person who gets the coin will have progress and money and happiness during the whole year. Basically, the whole family, before the Christmas lunch, božićni ručak, will gather together and they will break pogača or česnica, and then whoever gets that will have all the things that I already mentioned. In Vojvodina, they have similar custom, but they don't eat bread. They would eat something close to baklava, It's oriental cake made of walnuts and different type of nuts. And basically, instead of like putting coin into bread, they would put the coin into cake, and they will cut the cake, and whoever gets that, they will have the same luck, progress, money, happiness, and everything. After that comes the highlight of the day. It's Christmas lunch. For me, because of the amount of food that we'll have that day, it's similar to Slava. And we will have everything. Supa or čorba, sarma, pečenje i ruska salata. It's always ruska salata. After Christmas, most people go back to work immediately, and there is Serbian New Year's. It's a next holiday. It is on the 13th of January, but not all the families would celebrate it because like they are tired of all celebration, and also they have to work. But one last warning. If you stay until the 13th, expect again ruska salata. And also, if you plan to come to Serbia in this period, expect that you will get back to your home country with a couple of kilos, and that your Serbian family will probably get you a lot of food. If you want to understand Serbian culture and to learn Serbian language, follow About Serbian for more videos like this one, and sign up for our group lessons.